Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nikki, aka Nikki _Nisi, and I'm back like I never left. Okay guys, so in today's video, obviously I'm done writing, literally finished writing today. The date is the 14th of June. Finished writing my last paper, economics. I don't know how it went, but it went, guys. I wrote, I'm done. These are my things and more on the floor, like my room, guys. It shows that I'm leaving. Okay, like everything's packed. It smells so nice in here because I sprayed, like, let me show you guys what I sprayed. This is what I sprayed. I'm done. Oh, my hand. I'm done. Okay, the lighting here. I'm done. Just waiting for my sisters to come and fetch me so we can vibe. Because I'm surviving on 3 hours of sleep and I literally regret. I should have just went to bed because the things I was studying were not even in the test, guys. My hand is tired. Anyway, I just wanted to make an intro because I am genuinely gonna forget to make an intro because it's gonna be a long ride. We're going to Pretoria. We're going to the Blyde. Oh, you've seen it by the title. We're going to the Blyde. So guys, I don't know if you're gonna see me talking, but if not, this is me. It's currently 13:50. Check-in is at 3. I don't know if we'll make it, but it's Saturday. In my head it's Friday. Guys, I'm tired. My lips are even white because I'm hungry. The last thing I ate was cornflakes, so I'm gonna stop talking because I really don't like when my lips are white. So guys, I just want to say hi and I'll see you when I see y'all. Alright. Bye. Guys, we are in the Uber. Say hi, Kuma. So guys, it's currently it's 15:37, I think, and we are still in the Uber. We're still on our way. There's no traffic at all. Yeah, man. There's no traffic at all. We are just smooth sailing, and yeah, I don't know, man. If I'll see you guys when I get there. But we are here in the car. Okay, guys. Bye for now. So guys, we have made it. And then we're getting out of the Uber. Oh my goodness, we have made it. So guys, we are waiting to be checked into our villa. And so far it's so beautiful. I'm just tired, but it's beautiful. And I'm feeling cold. And yeah, man, it's very nice. Like, I don't know, you guys, did you see that? It's very nice. We're just waiting to be checked in, like I'm saying. And the people are swimming, yo, and it's cold. Like, it's so cold. I'm looking for my this. That is very nice. Yeah, I'll update you guys when we go to our rooms. Bye for now. Bye. party.
Hello.
My outfit of the day. The fix convince. Hi guys, OOTD, Mr. Price, Jeff, Air Force, Mr. Price. Look who joined us.
I'm her cousin, the cool cousin.
Like you. Okay guys, so this is my first time in this mall. I haven't eaten the whole day. I've only ate cornflakes. And if I faint, she will be responsible for picking me up. Exactly. Okay guys, we're going to get food. I don't know what we're gonna get, but we also want to get something for the person who's been helping us with food. Yeah, so we are going to Crocs. Not that we're going to get Crocs, but yeah, we're just going to
I want these kind of gibbets. I want these gibbets.
Guys, we're going into Crocs.
It's not like we're buying anything, but
yeah. Hey guys, so we're still at Main Lane and I haven't eaten yet. Oh, these are cute. Where's this? Lowest 7th, 8th. We're going to Starbucks. I don't know if we're gonna get anything, but we're going there. So catch y'all in there. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. Starbucks. Wow. We're still hungry though, but we bought Starbucks. Okay, I didn't buy, they bought for me, but it's a caramel macchiato. Yeah. Bye. Hi guys, I got a strawberry acai refresher. Hi guys, so we are at Food Lovers. Oh, okay, yeah. We're at Food Lovers. We are buying food and oh guys, I wanna fix my hair. And like we are buying groceries and yeah. What time is it? It's 5 to 8. 5 to 8 and I still have not eaten. This is my food. Yeah guys, I don't know man. But yeah, for now we're still at Food Lovers, just doing grocery shopping like I said. Nothing much to it and the whole fam is here y'all. We're still at Food Lovers. Oh guys, now I'm tired. Can't wait to sleep. I'm still surviving on 3 hours of sleep and 2 bowls of cornflakes and this. But y'all, let's go. Guys, we are at your YouTuber. Yeah. We are at Mitchell. Let me show you guys.
Hi guys, I'm kidding you. I'm
Guys, it's 2:09 and we are still at the mall. I left my first We're still at the mall and I'm so tired. Like our beautiful home is calling us. What are we buying? We're buying oil and buying oil and something. I don't know what though, but we at Pick and Pay. I'm outside. We at Pick and Pay though, but yeah. Guys, you see my eyes. I'm so tired, but I hope we can leave like soon because wow. Just wanted to check in. There's not much that I want to say, but you're bye for now again. Hi guys, so I know the lighting is okay. Let me do this. Hi guys, so we are back from the mall and oh, we're tired guys. I don't know, I think I'm gonna actually take this room. It's so cutesy. I don't know, but I'll see. It's just that it's near the thingy. Hey, it's always weird to have like a room that's closer to the outside because what if the burglars come in? But that's not gonna happen here. But I think this will be my room. I'm not sure because I feel like the others are occupied. So ja, dit is reg. Ons sal sien wat gaan aan. Yeah, let me show you my OOTD even though the lighting is bad. I just wanted to let you guys know that we're back. What's in here guys? Curiosity killed the cat. Oh damn, I'm gonna break the people's things now. There are gowns in here guys, let me show you guys. They have gowns in here and cutesy little slippers. So yeah, let me just close that. And I showed you my OOTD though. Our concealer, is it a concealer or whatever? It's gonna knock off like an hour 10 and yeah, I hope he was not bored shame because we've been gone. Anyways guys, I'm so tired. We're still packing up in the kitchen and yeah, let me go get my bag. I think I'm gonna sleep here. So guys, I know the lighting is bad, but I know we're only here for a few days. I don't know, maybe I'll unpack some of my things. Is the heater on? Oh my gosh. It is still warm in here. Should I unpack some of my things? We're leaving on Monday though, so today is Saturday. So I don't know though. I don't think I'm gonna unpack. But yeah, no shame. It's fine. I'll just put my bag like in there, and that'll be it. Guys, I don't know what else I'm gonna vlog tonight. But I'm just in the room. You guys have seen the room tour already, so yeah. For now, I'm just gonna be helping out in the kitchen and stuff. So yeah. Guys, I found this thing. It's a remote. I'm gonna try and play a song, and I got these biscuits. Let's see, guys. I think I saw Drake. I'll call you now because I'm packing it. Did you guys see six guys in the package? I don't know if it's gonna play like the house. It's playing on the TV. I thought it was gonna play like because there are speakers here in the ceiling. So is it me? Let me see. Oh damn! So this is the remote I use. And where? Here's the speaker, guys. It's me. So I'm playing the songs in here. Here's one of the speakers. The rest are there and there. I literally don't know what I'm playing. I just chose like a random song. Airplane. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. You can pause this one. Oh, it's already there. Nah, guys, this is so fun. Hey, being rich must be nice. This is what you guys go through when you guys are rich. Yeah, let me show you. It's so slow. Oh my gosh, let me pause. Guys, I forgot how to use it, but I was playing like a song a few minutes ago. It's fine though. It doesn't want to work, but I played a song. Guys, I'm looking crusty, but they said I should wash my dishes. No, I feel like I'm sure you changed the label already. Gives you. Nothing down. So you can think you get it down. I don't know, just shame. Guys, so right now I'm resting and I'm listening. Oh my gosh, copyright. Guys, it's dark, but we are going to buy ice cream and it is so cold. Guys, it is so cold. Oh my gosh, and we're going to buy ice cream. Imagine. I need to go. How dare we? Nice in the cold. Where are we? There's no name. No, it's just a store outside our villa. Oh, okay. It's closing now at 11. So yeah, we are paying for the ice cream. Thank you for. No, it's okay. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams this year come true. To you. 12:42 midnight to 1, and I actually want to take a shower. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be showering with me because I don't have a tripod. I just have like a mini hand tripod. But yeah guys, this is a shower. I'm gonna go shower. I really need to shower. I'm looking like my problems. I can't wait to sleep because I have been surviving on 3 hours of sleep yesterday. So today I need to sleep. Yeah, let me just play some songs before so I can shower nicely. So I'm going to sleep now. I'm gonna make the bed right now. I'm so tired guys. I'm still surviving on 3 hours of sleep from yesterday, and it's all coming back now. So I don't know what's gonna happen with my life, but I'm gonna make the bed so I can prepare for us to sleep because it's time to sleep, y'all. It's literally a day before we leave, but y'all. Hi guys. Oh damn, the music. Oh, so I'm in bed right now. I don't know what time it is. I'm sure it's like +1, and I don't know if we're gonna survive with just this duvet. We will need to go get a blanket because it's not sure it's kind of cold, really cold. Oh Tim, it's actually really kind of cold, really cold. I don't know, but I'm in bed, y'all. I'm gonna go to sleep. I just want to be knocked out. Like, I haven't drank 3 painkillers. It's gonna be me, but I haven't drank them. But yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, see you guys tomorrow. Today, later on today. I'm sorry. See you guys later on today. I'm so behind in life. In my mind, it was Friday yesterday. So yeah, gosh, guys. Anyways, good night from me. Good morning guys. Yo, it's so cold. Oh, lighting. Let me go back inside and speak to you guys nicely. Good morning guys. So I just woke up to go to the bathroom. I'm not fully awake, and hold on. I don't know what time is it. Okay guys, let me quickly check the time for you guys so I can tell you. I think it's 6 something. Oh, it's 6:42, and I don't know, my body just woke me up so I could go to the bathroom because yeah, I've been sleeping. I slept like around +1 ish. So I was like, you know what, okay, since I'm awake, let me just go. I can't believe I'm actually speaking so early in the morning after waking up. I was like, anyways, I was like, let me just go outside and see how it looks, and it's so pretty. I don't know if the sun is actually gonna rise. It said it rises at 10:02, so I'm just gonna wait for that. Currently it's so cold guys, but it looks so pretty in the previous video, but it is so flipping cold. It's like 4 degrees right now, and the water is freezing, obviously. Anyways guys, I'm gonna be rambling because I'm so tired still. So let me just wait because I see there the sun wants to rise, but I will let you guys know. If it does end up rising, you'll see a video. If not, you'll still see a video because you guys are here with me. Guys, yeah. Bye. Guys, while I'm still waiting for the sun to rise, let me tell you guys a funny story. So, I have a hand tripod, and it has a like, it's not a ring light. It's like a block light. Like the shape is a square, so that's what I'm saying, it's a block light. Because I think a mosquito bit me. I don't remember the last time I got bitten by a mosquito. That was probably when I was at home. But back to the light. So I went to buy batteries yesterday at the Makulas campus square. I'm not gonna mention them, but yeah, for 8 rand shop. That was the price of the batteries. I'm happy. Yeah, I got my batteries. I should have just worked up me. See, being stingy with your money. Sharp. So come back. Never tested them. Nothing. I came back. And I sorry guys, yo. And then what did I do? I packed my things. So now it's later on at night when we are back here from Manling. I'm testing them. And they look like they wanna explode. Like they do not work. Oh my gosh. I literally wanted to cry. But I didn't because I was like, you know what, it's fine. I'll be looking for natural law for you guys. Because the sun still hasn't risen yet. It's not like Jesus who actually rose after 3 days, like at the right time. Okay, it wasn't the right time, but anyways. I'm still waiting, but I don't think it'll really rise because it's kind of cold though. But you can see some change in color there, but other than that, let me still wait so I can go back to sleep. Oh my god, so the sun didn't fully rise, but it rose. When I'm going back to sleep now, it's like past 7. I should have worn the white gown, but it's fine. Here's my room and worries. I went an OOTD, guys. This is just PJs. Let me go back and sleep because it's still too early for me to even be awake. I just wanted to see the sunrise. Oh, morning, guys. So it's around past 10. I'm trying to check the time. But yo, guys, ever since I went back to sleep, they woke me up to ask me if I need my clothes to be ironed. My aunt woke me up. And I needed them to be ironed, so I had to wake up. And guys, I was still sleeping. We're still sleeping. But it's fine. You can't keep on sleeping after 10 at a booking because you're gonna miss out on a lot. The day is already gone. But yeah, I'm gonna wake up now and just get ready for the day. It's so cold in this room and the aircon doesn't want to work. And it was working yesterday. I don't know what's going on. But yeah. So right now, I just gave her my clothes. I need to fold the ones I was wearing yesterday so I can pack them back into my suitcase. We haven't even opened the window door yet. Oh, I think it's 10:30. Yeah, it's 10:30 right now. So I'm gonna get started with my day officially. Yeah, I just wanted to check in. This phone is heavy. I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that now I'm fully awake. Let's go. Hi guys, so I'm gonna brush my teeth. I still need to go make the bed, but I was like, let me brush my teeth because I don't feel fresh and stuff. So here are my things, y'all. Don't mind the tripod. My phone storage is almost full because yeah, guys. But I need to brush my teeth. Let me not say much because storage.
Breakfast.
I got breakfast.
Bali leswi lapha fa he a ri dzime yo yi bombile xawula papa ya ta yi bomba Sino bata? Ya ta boy bata. Ay bata ito 23. I think. Suena. Avo.
It's around like 1ish. I'm going to shower so we can go swim. So my friends got me these for my birthday. I'm gonna finally use them. This is the place to use them, by the way. So I'm gonna use them. They came with this. Is it a show something, guys? And I'm also gonna. Oh, I forgot something. I'm also gonna moisturize my lips. This is a lip scrub. Scrub my lips. Let me go get the oils. Damn. So here are the oils, guys. Apple, watermelon, and vanilla, which I'm gonna use in my scrub, and then I'm gonna use them. So yeah, guys, let's go and take a shower. Hi guys, so we're gonna go for a walk, and I don't know if we're gonna go for canoeing. My hair. But it's fine. So I'm watching myself on the big screen because why not? I'm waiting for everyone else. They're supposed to go fetch for us a wristband. Gee, this camera is dirty. Wait. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know because I showed you guys us there in front of the mirror. So we're gonna go for a walk and maybe canoeing. Got my camera, my glasses here, and I'm wearing my bikini.
What?
Very nice. I'm taking a walk. This is the beach, guys. From this point of view, it's so pretty. Okay, guys, so we're taking a walk. Why am I wearing my shades? We are taking a walk on the beach of Pretoria. This is the back around. This is me and the fab. Yeah. My shoe left. So guys, we're here with a canoe. It's one rose and then one has a phone. But that's a risk. Guys, we're not taking our phones because this looks so risky. We are not taking our phones when we go rowing. Oh, you can't zoom in. Okay, it's fine, guys. So guys, we just came back from canoeing and it was crazy. Okay, you are going to exercise, but it's fine. It was fun, great experience. I would do it again, but the water is so cold, and it's winter, guys. It's June, and we're canoeing in June. This is my jersey, y'all, because it is kind of chilly. So I just wanted to let you guys know. I don't know if they took me videos. If they did, obviously they were before this or they're gonna be after this. I don't know. I'll see. Hi guys, so we're just am I? Yeah, let me do this. It looks much better. We're taking pictures. Yeah, because why not? They look so cute. Although I don't know, man, something is wrong. This sun is not sunning like it's supposed to sun, but from this angle, it's doing the most. Coming back. No guys, I'm so tired. My feet look so, I don't know, I just look tired. Is there even a bin here? Is there? There is no bin, and I just want to throw something. I don't make a plan. We're still taking pictures, and it's really kind of cold, guys. Let's see me here with my pajamas. With my swimming costume. Guys, others are kissing. I wish I could show you my lips. Let me just do this so you guys can't see my lips. Oh, this is so nice, guys. Let me take more pictures. I just wanted to check in, but yeah. Okay guys, so we are going back to our villa. It is so cold. I don't want that. It is so cold. Yo, but it's fine. Bye. Hi guys. Oh my gosh. So we are done. The day is over. We're leaving tomorrow. Right now I want to go take a shower because it's so cold. Hey yo, copyright. I want to go take a shower. So let me do that, and so I can be warm. And I don't know if I'm gonna film anything else because I'm so tired, honestly. But you're. Hi guys, so I'm done showering, and yeah, this is me, OOTD. Say hi. Yeah guys, I'm tired, Shem. Let me see what I can go and snack on. Even if we didn't even eat supper, I'm talking about snacks. Look at those ones. Yeah, I'm going to see what I can chow. Bye.
So much food.
Guys, we are eating and we are buying, as you can see. Otherwise, you guys are gonna say me, I've never shown you food.
How too late for content?
It's not too late. So I made popcorns. I made popcorns. You wanna go and eat? Alright, but anyway, different. We are dishing up food. Hi guys, so we are gonna take a family photo. I'm so full. Sorry, copyright, but let me just go. I just want to check in fast.
Blow, mama. Able.
Good morning, guys. It's 1:06 now, and I'm going to sleep like now. We are leaving today. Checkout is at 11. Why though? Why? But anyways, guys, I'm not tired anymore. but I need to force myself to go and sleep. Daughter here, Shem. I don't know if she's going or whatever is going on, Shem. But we're gonna go sleep soon. Catch you guys today. I was about to say tomorrow, today. Yeah, when we're leaving or when I wake up. Bye. Hi guys. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. It's like 8:20 something. I'm only whispering because my little sister is sleeping. But guys, I'm so tired and we're leaving today. I just want to say hi. But for now, I'm going to pack my things. Because we're supposed to be out of here by 11. Before 11 actually. So yeah. Good morning guys. So it is so flipping, it's not hot, it's just too warm. Yeah guys, we are leaving today. I can't believe we're leaving and it's so flipping hotter than when we got here. It's warmer, sorry. Yeah, the last time you guys saw me, I think I was in the shower. And I just want to say hi. We're gonna waiting for food. I don't even know what we're gonna eat, but we're gonna eat something. And yeah guys, let me show you guys the view because this is the last time I think I'm gonna be showing you guys the view. So yeah, let's see the view one last time, y'all. Oh man. So we're supposed to check out. Okay, no, we did check out. But then now, if we stay any longer, they're gonna. Okay. They are gonna fine us, guys. They're gonna fine us. So that's why now we are outside. We are packing things outside. Guys, look at these. It's so cute. Nah, so we're packing outside. I had to drink my beautiful, nice coffee so far. So it's gonna give me issues. But it's fine. I don't know when I'll check in again, but for now it's bye. Guys, look at our car.
We bought like we're not leaving. No, I thought maybe they booked. I thought maybe they booked for a week when we were buying. I guess.
Yeah.
Remote missile.
Okay, guys, you can see we're in the car. We're supposed to leave, otherwise they're gonna charge us how much?
1,000.
Yeah, guys, look.
They gave us back our deposit. That deposit might disappear soon.
Ne?
Because half of it might disappear. We're still here.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out how we're gonna fit everything we bought. Like I said, there's also chicken in the oven. But it's
staying. We put it in the warmer thinking it's
oven because smeg everything smeg, we don't know. Stove smeg, fridge
Tina, we don't defy
for plate. Like, you know, change the knobs. Hey guys,
yeah, okay.
We're getting prepared to go.
Yeah.
Hopefully we leave before 5. But if that happens, mine ain't my money, so I'm in the car. So
real, we out of the villa.
So guys, we took pictures with our favorite concierge. Very nice concierge. He's a concierge. I don't know.
With
With our favorite concierge, and he actually smiled properly this time. Favorite concierge. We worked him overtime, like to the brim.
He was like part of the family, Shem.
He was supposed to take a leave yesterday,
But
because we got a custom, we went and said we want him. We do not want who? Unewo.
Oh, poor Neil. I mean, I wouldn't even show you. Okay, guys. Hi guys, so we are at Starbucks. I'm trying to find perfect lighting. I got a strawberry, I got an acai, a kai. Dad, what did you get?
I got caramel frappuccino. So good. Like that.
Yeah guys, so we're waiting. We're gonna leave soon. We're gonna leave soon. We got these, y'all. My aunt got us these. So I don't know what time I'm gonna leave, but we're gonna leave soon. I will film when we're leaving so I can save on space. Hi guys, so we are leaving the mall. We are laughing at a lady. She's wearing yellow, pink shoes, a green bag. Yeah. We are leaving the mall. Catch you guys in Limpopo. Bye. So we made a stop after Nile Plaza. I think we're 70 to 60 k's from Polokwane. And yeah, I don't know, but we're resting now because we've been sitting. We almost passed the Kabangan guys and I had to really pee. There was no way. I was literally gonna say, you know what, stop, I'll walk through the exit. Yeah, but we're almost there. We're pushing 60 to 50 k's. Yeah, you just can see I'm in the bubble. It's already hot.
Guys, black people need.
They don't flash.
Black people. This other lady, she's a kid.
The door is open.
The door open. Who does that? Sometimes I wish I was a man. Because if I was a man, I wouldn't have to do anything. I'll just stand up and pee. But being a woman,